Child marriage and child trafficking gi Matangda Nongmagi Oiba legal awareness program Pangthokkhre District Administration Kakching gi Makada District Child Protection Unit Kakching Department of Social Welfare Manipur ka khutsamnaraga Manipur State Rural Livelihood Mission gi Makada lairiba Mangal BLF Lingjel BLF Lamjing BPLF Thaujal BLF amasung club amadi Maira Paibiga punna sinduna Lamjong Moyai Lekai Community Hall da Child Marriage and Child Trafficking hairiba team da one day legal awareness program ama Pangthokkhre Tharamadu Athoy Mitungden Oina Block Development Officer Langmaidong CD Block Kakting Arvin Hanglem IAS Thaurammapu Oina Chairperson Administrative Committee Mayeng Lamjau GP Yumkhaibam Ramesor Ikai Khumnaraba Mitung Singh Oina District Child Protection Officer Gazo Raskumari Child Marriage Prohibition Officer Panchayat Secretary KS Lemba Officer in Charge Waikong PS Dr. Okram Jotin President Wall Mitai Council Urikibam Kunjo District Mission Manager MSR LM Taurem James Langmaidong CD Block ki Block Mission Manager Ningthaujam Rajib Amadi Atai BLF ki Mentor Singh Amasung President Singh Loina Ward Member Singh Club ki President Maira Paibi ki President Chu Sarukya ki Awareness Program adu mari lenana Resource Person Oina Tenopal District ki Child Welfare Committee ki Secretary Darngam Khaling Amadi Child Trafficking Amadi Legal Prohibition Officer DCPU IE DCPO in charge Kangpokpi Rina Chanu Morang Themna Child Marriage ki Matangda Miyamda Wangang Dona Mamut Tana Khanghan ki Tharamadu Thoi ba Mitunglen Oina Sarukya ki ba Arvin Hanglebna Fungdok ki bada Miyoy ba Ikoina Chokhat Pahaibasi Fura Dalan Fazaba Saba Lambi Thong Semba si Kakna Oibanate Khwaidagi Maru Oibasi Ikogi Wakalon asi Hongdokpa Apaba Wakalon Khanba Sini India Langangna Ikogi Yaifana ba Aranba Taw Yaifanaba Aranba Tawasing Tingnaba Makal Makakayagi Chatna Kanglon Lo Sing Semdona Lady Adubu Madu Aikoina Ngakna Chatpangamdre Masing Ngamnaba Aikoina Hotnaba Matautai Tungi Yumbidel Sin Bukan Nabagidamak Aikoina Child Marriage Amadi Child Trafficking Asipuna Tingnaba Hotnaminasi Hainasu Miyamda Apple Tauki